Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I am going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Crave theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already uploaded a lot of codes with different themes. Now the first step is that you should download the code. So I have already added the link below in the description. You just click on that and you will be getting a zip file. Once you are extracting that zip file, you will be getting these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt and inside of this documentation I have already mentioned all the steps which we have required. So the first step is like go to Shopify dashboard, open themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So let's go to the dashboard. Here you can see that I have Crave theme. So I am going to click on these 3 dots. You should duplicate the theme because later on if you have any problem you can restore it back. Once you have done that, then click on edit code. Here we will be having some folders and files and we are interested in snippets. Click on it and then the next step is create a new snippet and name of that snippet will be PayPal-smart-buttons. So just copy this and click on add a new snippet and paste the name of that snippet. Click on done and it will be creating an empty file. So now we are interested to paste attached code into this new snippet. So here we have the attached code, PayPal with credit card. Just copy this complete code and paste it inside of this empty file. And then after you should click on save. Now the next step is add below event in quantity input. Find quantity input. Actually we have to go to man-product. So here we have sections. Click on it, scroll it down. We have man-product.liquid and inside of it we have to use Control F or maybe Command F and search this quantity underscore input. Actually this is an input element of quantity. So we are interested to paste this line of code inside of this input element. So just below it we are going to paste this line of code. Alright, and then after we have another step which is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually in PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid we have line number 8. I have added the client ID of my PayPal sandbox account. That is for the testing purpose only. But you have to paste the original live client ID of your PayPal, because this is how we are connecting our PayPal with our Shopify store. So I have already added the video link below in the description. You just click on that and copy your live client ID and paste it right here, and make sure that live client ID should be enclosed in double quotes. Alright, and then after you can also change the currency if you want. Right now I have added US dollars. If you have euro you can add it EUR or maybe any other currency if you want. The next thing is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. So actually we have to go to preview store and here we will be having a home page. We have to go to catalog and here we will be having some products. For example, I am selecting this product and we will be having this quantity input. You should right click on it and click on inspect. So in that way we are actually selecting that specific element. If you are not finding this kind of input element, then you should click on this selector and then click on this and it will be redirecting you to specific element. So here you should copy this ID and then paste it in line number 9. So in line number 9 I have this quantity ID, so you should paste the new ID and then click on save. So once you have done that, then you should go to the 6th step, which is go to assets, open global.js and find below line. Actually we have to open global.js. So we have to click on assets, scroll it down and we have global.js. And inside of it we have to search this function. So using Control F or maybe Command F you should search it and it will be highlighting like this. So this is a function actually starting from here and ending at this curly brace. So inside of it we are going to paste this line of code, copy it and paste it just above this closing curly brace and then click on save. So once you are done with that, then we have the final step, which is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So we have to copy this code and paste it in the customize section. How we will be finding that customized section? So for example, and one more thing is you should save these changes also. Then go to the dashboard of your store again and click on customize. Click on this drop down and select products and click on default product. So here you will be having the product information structure. So you can see that product information and here we have to click on add block. We have to click on custom liquid and we have to paste that line of code, which is this one. Just copy it and paste it inside of this box. And one more thing is you should move this just below buy buttons and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then those PayPal buttons should reflect just below buy it now button. So here you can see that these are looking more more beautiful now. Sometime you are interested to remove buy it now button. How you can do that? Click on buy buttons and uncheck this checkbox and then click on save again. And now only PayPal buttons with add to cart button is reflecting. I will be updating the code and this button size will be reduced and it will be looking similar to add to cart button. So you don't need to worry about. I will be updating that code. It's okay. So now we are interested to see its preview in the front end. So here you can see this is how it will look on your mobile view. You can see this is looking more beautiful, and if you will see its desktop view, so it will look like this. Now we are interested to cross check the prices which are coming from the product, and let's see that these prices and the product name and stuff is coming correctly into the PayPal buttons or not. So click on this PayPal button. Here you should log into your PayPal account. I have already logged in with my sandbox account for testing purpose. Click on this price and you can see that one new t-shirt black color variant with $20. So that means information is coming correctly. For example, I am increasing the quantity and let's see now that is it working fine or not. Here we go. Now you should click on this $40 and you can see that quantity is updated, name of that product and color variant and price. And one last check is to change the color variant. For example, I am selecting blue. Click on PayPal button and here you will be having the new updated information. So you can see that color variant is updated, which is blue, and price is also correct. For example, your customers don't have the PayPal button, then they can purchase using debit or credit card also. Click on this debit or credit card button and then it will be displaying a form. You can enter card number, expiry date and CSC or maybe any other 3-digit code, and you can also add billing address, shipping address, and then click on pay now and it will be, and you can purchase the products using credit or debit card. Alright, one more thing is that sometimes you don't want this yellow button and you only want debit or credit card button. How you can remove that? Actually, I have already attached the code which is only creditcard.txt. Just copy this complete code and paste it inside of this file. Actually, I'm going to remove this and going to paste the new code. I have pasted the code, and one more thing is that I have to update this quantity ID also because that is the old one. So I need to right click on it, click on inspect, and I'm going to copy this ID and paste it right here and click on save, and then let me refresh this page again. Now you will see that only credit card button is displaying, yellow button has been disappeared, and right now I am interested to undo the changes. Click on save, and then after you should refresh this page again and you will see yellow button as well as credit debit card button, and in your mobile view it will look more beautiful like this. So that's how you can integrate by your own without knowing any kind of coding. Just follow all the steps which I have mentioned in the documentation. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. If you are facing any difficulty, you can ask me the questions below in the comment section, or maybe you can contact me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.